Yo, there's a black bear.
Oh shit! Black bear! Black bear.
Really?
He just
Yeah.
went on right now.
Right now?
10 seconds ago.
Really? Oh.
So he might be anywhere around here. I've seen him a couple times before.
Hey, careful, black bear!
It is, but it's a jump line.
Oh, he didn't hear me, so he's right there. I was screaming at you. There's a black bear. He didn't listen.
H-Mac, I'm going in because I know things. I be shining kinda like your blingin' nose ring. H-Mac, I be breaking it down every time I...
You know the second drop over here? You do the first one, the wooden one, there's the jump,
Uh-huh.
and then there's that drop over the rocks.
On the left. I usually just avoid it.
Avoid that, but before it, there's like a rock drop. Bend it as hard as you can. It's plush, it's easy. I saw you last time, you kind of rolled over it.
Yeah, I just rolled it.
Follow my speed, that shit is super easy.
Oh. Oh. Gotta do that one for a second. We're curious. We saw you guys here, so I just saw them there. I was like, oh, probably the new trail. Oh, what?
It's just going straight down. Nag-shortcut lang si Ringo.
Oh, oh,
Nag-shortcut lang siya. I know, there's no trail there.
there's no trail.
You want to commit to it with me?
Perfect, damn. It was super smooth.
Literally. Not bad at all. Slow and steady.
And he overshot it.
You follow my speed?
Yeah.
Easy, baby.
Yeah! Haha, yeah!
So enthusiastic, I'ma leave you all delighted. They loving what I provided, I get them all so excited. Yeah, I got them vibing every time I'm on it. Lyrics that I kick stay honest. Yeah, Often it's
So why I don't do that?
Yep.
I can't see fucking shit. I get tight as fuck, and the bike starts bouncing around.